A toast to success, celebrating achievements in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the essence of a beautiful English expression, a toast to success. Whether you're celebrating a personal milestone or sharing joy in a group, understanding this phrase will add a sparkle to your celebrations. So, let's dive into the heart of this expression and learn how it can be used in our daily interactions and special occasions. The phrase, a toast to success, is steeped in tradition and camaraderie. It's not just about words. It's an action of raising our glasses and expressing our heartfelt wishes for prosperity and triumph. When we say, a toast to success, we're not just speaking. We're participating in a ritual that dates back centuries, symbolizing goodwill, honor, and optimism. A toast usually has three key components. 1. The opening. This is where you grab everyone's attention. A simple, "May I have your attention, please?" or "I'd like to propose a toast" works perfectly. 2. The message. This is the heart of your toast. It's where you articulate your congratulations, wishes, or reflections. For success, you might say, "Here's to the tireless efforts and the spirit that led to this outstanding achievement." 3. The conclusion. This is where everyone joins in. You conclude by saying, "To success," and everyone repeats this phrase before taking a sip from their glasses. Toasting to success isn't just for any moment, it's for the special ones. It's fitting for occasions like job promotions or career milestones, launch of new ventures or projects, achievements in education like graduation, personal accomplishments in arts, sports, or other fields. When making a toast, remember to wait for the right moment when everyone is present. Stand up if it's formal. Stay seated if it's a casual gathering. Speak clearly and from the heart. Make eye contact with your audience and especially with the person or people you're toasting to. Raise your glass at the end of your speech, prompting others to do the same. While the essence of toasting to success is universal, its practice can vary across cultures. It's fascinating to see how different societies have their unique ways of celebrating achievements. From the loud and joyous cheers in English-speaking countries to the respectful kanpai in Japan, each culture adds its flavor to this beautiful tradition. Understanding these nuances can enrich your experience and show your respect for diverse traditions. And there you have it, a closer look at the beautiful tradition of a toast to success. Whether it's in a formal gathering or a cozy get-together with friends, knowing how to properly engage in this tradition can add depth to your celebrations. So, the next time you're around to celebrate an achievement, remember these tips, raise your glass, and make that moment even more memorable. Here's to your success in mastering the English language and beyond. Cheers!